of India was set up in the year. Now, I'll tell you how we'll be dealing with this question. So what we'll do is, in every question, we'll try to understand every aspect of question that can be asked from this topic. So when we talk about this question, the keyword is Finance Commission, right? Now, the first thing that we have to understand about Finance Commission is that it is a constitutional body. When I say the word constitutional body, I mean to say that this particular body or organization or institution is mentioned in the Constitution. So now next question would be, if it is mentioned in the Constitution, where is it mentioned? So it is mentioned in Article 280. Now what is the work of Finance Commission? The Finance Commission basically gives us a formula as to how the taxes would be shared between center and state. Now to simplify this concept, let us assume the total amount of tax that was collected by the government of India was rupees 100. So now what the Finance Commission will tell us, the Finance Commission will tell us how this rupees 100 has to be distributed between the central government and the state government. For now, it is 41%, right? So 41% of total collected taxes are given to the state government and the rest of the money goes to the central government. हमारे एग्जाम में हमें अभी इतना ही समझने की जरूरत है. First is that it is a constitutional body. Second is it is mentioned in Article 280. Third is 41% of taxes are devolved to the state government, and the Finance Commission gives us a formula as to how the money will be distributed between the center and state. Now this Finance Commission is constituted every 5 years. क्योंकि जैसे जैसे टाइम चेंज होता है वैसे वैसे स्टेट्स की नीड चेंज हो जाएगी, राइट? तो जो बंटवारा है पैसे का, द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मनी विल चेंज बिटवीन सेंटर एंड स्टेट. So a Finance Commission is constituted every 5 years. Now since it is constituted every 5 years, who constitutes it? The President of India. So the President of India constitutes a Finance Commission every 5 years. It is a constitutional body mentioned in Article 280 of the Indian Constitution. Now the question is, अभी तक Finance Commission कितने बन चुके हैं इंडिया में? So in total, it is the current Finance Commission is the 16th Finance Commission, and Mr. Arvind Pangadia, who was also the first Vice Chairperson of Niti Aayog, is the current Chairman of the 16th Finance Commission. समझ में आया? Finance Commission से जो भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता हमने यहाँ डिस्कस कर लिया. First is it is a constitutional body. Second is it is mentioned under Article 280. अभी जो taxes चल रहे हैं 41% goes to the state government. Secondly, what does it do? It distributes the taxes between center and state. It gives us the formula as to how the money will be distributed. It is constituted every 5 years by the President of India. The current 16th Finance Commission के जो current chairman is Mr. Arvind Pangadia. Let us move on to the next question now. You can see this explanation. In case you are looking for the PDF, आप हमारे Telegram पे या WhatsApp ग्रुप पे ज्वाइन कर सकते हो and you will get this PDF. तो आप explanation के लिए देख सकते हो. मैंने आपको इससे ज़्यादा ही information दे दी है.